Hello, first grade. Unfortunately, you guys can't come down to the library while we're under yellow status. So instead, I'm going to read you a story and record it so that you can watch it in your classroom. And you can come out in the hallway and check out books with me one at a time. Okay? The story I'm going to read to you today is about an animal that's very special and very important at this time of the year especially. This is called I'm a Reindeer. The author is Mallory C. Lower, and that means that she wrote the story. The illustrator is Joey Chow. That means that Joey drew the pictures. So I'm a reindeer. I'm a deer, but not just any deer. I'm a reindeer. There's our reindeer. It's a little bunny rabbit too, but that's the reindeer. Reindeer are strong as soon as they are born. I could run before I was 2 hours old. I was already running. So there's a little baby reindeer. He's kissing his mommy. We come in lots of different colors and sizes, but most of us have thick bodies and necks and extra big hooves. A hoof is what's at the bottom of their feet, and square noses. So that's what they look like. Did you know that another word for reindeer is caribou? It's true. So if you ever hear somebody talking about caribou, they're talking about reindeer. I'm part of a herd with thousands of other reindeer. They don't like to travel alone. They like to travel in groups where there's thousands of them all together, and that's called a herd. My herd lives in Canada. That's where Miss Gallagher's from too. It's from Canada. We travel far to find food. We migrate more than 3,000 miles a year. That's farther than any other mammal. So there's the caribou traveling very far just to find food. In the summertime, the pads on the bottom of my hooves are soft, so I can walk on the wet earth. So there he is in the summertime. And the bottom part of his hoof down here is nice and soft to walk on the wet earth because all the snow is melted. But in the wintertime, my hooves are hard, so I can break the ice to find food. So there he's using his hoof to smash through the ice to find some food. I'm a reindeer. My fur is very special. I have an outer layer of fur that is so light that it floats. It also keeps out water so that my thicker inner layer of fur stays dry, even when I'm swimming in icy water. Brrr! There he is swimming in the icy water with his family, with the rest of the herd. And that special layer of fur keeps him dry and warm, even in the icy water. In the summer, I shed my winter fur. This keeps me comfortable in the warm weather. Some of you might have dogs at home that shed their fur in the summer too. You get fur everywhere. I am related to other deer. There's a big deer right there. That's actually called a moose. Can you see the differences? So there's our reindeer there. This is the kind of deer that you would see around here in Georgia. You might see that kind as well. Reindeer comes from an old Norse word that means horned animal. Deer's horns are called antlers, and both female and male reindeer get them. See, they have antlers, horns on the top of their head. We're reindeer. About 100 years ago, a man named Clement Seymour wrote a poem called A Visit from St. Nicholas, in which reindeer help pull Santa's sleigh. There he is. Many children think that they have heard reindeer hoofbeats on their roof on Christmas Eve. Have you? Either way, reindeer are amazing. I should know. I'm a reindeer. And that is the end of the first book that I'm going to read to you today. Your teacher can start the second video and watch this second book now.